Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Welcome to freebie number 20. Today is the 20th of December. Wow, time is going so fast. Hope you guys are enjoying the festive season and you're drinking a lot of hot cocoa with maybe a little hint of Baileys or rum. Let me know. Let me know what's your favorite hot drink in the comment down below. Interesting to know. Guys, today, this is the freebie, or today is a collection of tags. They have music sheet and floral on the background, and I have added some Victorial lovely ladies on top. Now, I have used these tags from my very popular digital papers called Vintage Flora. So this is available on my website. So this is the exact page. I have used those tags, as you can see, and then I just put some Victorian ladies on top. Let me give you a quick flick through on my very popular vintage floral. I know you guys love floral and music sheets together. I do too, and it's why this is quite a popular collection of papers. You got some tags. I left it plain so you guys can layer them on top, so you can do what you want. Loads of different tags. I can see like a journal made all of this. It looks really cool. Some background cards. You can make like greetings cards or even like vintage cards, because you can layer on top as well. You get a very large envelope, like a scallop envelope. So that's the two tabs on the side. That's the lid and that's the bottom. And then you get a couple of floral background that you can use with these papers. As a couple like green floral and geometric background. But let me show you where you can download today's freebie on my Facebook group. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the three dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.